Alright, so Intel is at $47.07 with a market cap of 192.89 billion. So we're just a little bit up, but overall in the $40 to $50 range. That's where I think Intel is going to stay for a while. Hey, maybe the stimulus might pass and it might go up, but overall it's looking like a dud. There's too much competition going on right now. But in today's news, Cloudera repurchases 26 million shares from Intel for 314 million. So, essentially, their Intel owned purchase these shares of Cloudera, and in the contract, it allows Cloudera to purchase them back from Intel at a certain price. And this part right here is the most important part. So Cloudera repurchased 26 million shares from Intel at $12.05 each. The stock sale leaves Intel with no remaining Cloudera shares, but doesn't alter the existing commercial or partner relationship between the companies. So this is interesting. You would say, why would the company want to buy back its own shares from a company that's invested in you? Um, it goes down to allow them to ultimately make a profit, because if you look at Cloudera price, they're at around $14. So if them selling that, they just made $2 each. But this allows them to officially retire these shares. And that ultimately helps out Cloudera, and it kind of just reinforces everyone. They don't want anything to do with Intel. Intel is a sinking ship. It's going down. I mean, look at AMD. Look at what Microsoft's doing. Samsung, Microsoft, they're all making their own chips. AMD is just annihilating Intel. And give it 10 years, I thoroughly believe AMD will be number one and Intel will be number two. But it's going to take a lot to change Intel. Like there's going to be huge management changes. If that doesn't happen, Intel is done. I mean, just look at everyone. They're making their own chips now. There's no point to go with Intel. Why would you go with Intel if AMD offers double the amount of cores for a cheaper price? So, Intel, you suck, bruh. But, I just wanted to share this. This just reinforces the fact that people are no longer doing business with Intel. And I'm not, I'm exaggerating. Obviously, people like Dell and HP, they are still purchasing processors, but Intel is losing its share. Like, just the the writing is on the wall. So, just do your own research, have some fun, make some money. Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.